Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joe Hindy, the Android Authority app guy. A lot of apps made a big splash in 2014, but not all those splashes were good. So let's take a look at the most controversial applications of 2014. First up on our list is a Duck Hunter knockoff called Ass Hunter, and this was a pretty messed up game. You played as a hunter who shot naked men, and if the naked men approached you and you didn't shoot them, they had gay sex with you. It was reported that the app description contained such phrases as play and do not be gay, and you are a hunter and your mission is to kill gays as much as you can. That should give you a pretty clear indication on why this game made people angry. There was a successful Twitter campaign to have the game flagged for inappropriate content, and eventually it was rightfully removed from the Google Play Store. Facebook made the decision this year to totally remove their Messenger and Groups services from the main Facebook application and force people to use external applications for each one. This made a lot of people angry and has widely been considered as a bad move. On top of using extra storage space, users also now have multiple accounts constantly waking up their devices, causing battery drain and pinging their data plans. Ostensibly, this was so Facebook could build more features into those services, but so far the best we've gotten are similar to what one-night stands get, which are large gaudy stickers and regret. Then, when things couldn't get any worse, Facebook did it again with their new Facebook Groups app. Primecast was an application that people actually liked. It allowed people with Amazon Prime memberships to stream content from their Amazon Instant Video account to their televisions by casting it through the Chromecast, and was the only app that allowed this functionality. Amazon was all like, LOL, nope, and then had the application pulled. On top of that, they changed their backend so that people who still had copies of the application could no longer use it. It was a great app that met a sudden end and is a sterling example of what happens when a powerhouse like Amazon wants your app dead. Secret is another anonymous platform where people can post secrets about themselves and other people, and you can see where this is going. Things have gone so far with Secret that it's been banned in Israel because people are using it for cyberbullying, and also in Brazil for similar reasons. It's also been used to post faulty secrets such as fake device leaks and other fallacious content. Like Yik Yak, Secret is still available in the Google Play Store. Sketch Factor is actually a really good idea for an application. The premise was to alert people as to what parts of various cities are dangerous, weird, or shady, and which parts should be avoided. Unfortunately, the application is crowdsourced instead of fact-sourced, and that has led to some problems. On top of users not generally taking the platform seriously, there have been widespread accusations that people who post on the application are totally racist, and some have even said that the app is for white people trying to avoid black neighborhoods. The creators swear up and down that neither of these things are true. Unfortunately for them, the internet does exist in its current form, and many parts of it have dubbed their application racist. It is still available in the Google Play Store if you want to see it for yourself. Skinny Pics is an application that takes your selfies and edits them to make you look like you've lost weight. The options are pretty simple. You can have the application subtract 5, 10, and 15 pounds, and the result is a selfie that makes you look thinner. It's promoted as an application to help you feel better about your looks, but it's been pointed out several times that you can't possibly feel good about your looks if you feel the need to alter them. It also doesn't help that the algorithms are pretty bad and make healthy-looking people look gaunt, tired, and starving to death. Whether it's making skinny people look dead or making chubby people feel bad that they're chubby, this application seems to strike out on almost every demographic. Oh, and don't forget that you have to pay for it also. If you want to check it out for yourself, it's in the Google Play Store. It's true that Uber wasn't released this year, but it's driven enough controversy to earn a spot on this list. Okay, so where do I begin with this one? The app has been banned in Nevada and has sparked talks about banning it in other cities. There has also been a back-and-forth smear campaign between Uber and Lyft that's lasted all year. Then the CEO decided to spend $1 million to dig up dirt on shady journalists who blast Uber in the media, and even got an endorsement for the behavior from Ashton Kutcher, who is most notably not a journalist. Then to top it all off, their controversial surge charging has plummeted Uber's Better Business Bureau rating to an F. It's been a really rough year for Uber. Virus Shield made headlines earlier this year when it took the coveted top spot as the #1 new paid application in the Google Play Store. The feat was impressive, especially considering that the application does absolutely nothing. If you did download the application, you would have been treated to two screens. There was one with an X on it and another one with a check mark, and you could go from one to the other by tapping on the screen. Unfortunately, the wheels were spinning, but no one was behind the wheel, and the app did nothing else other than change graphics. The developer stated that the release was accidental, but the damage had been done. In any case, the app is no longer available in the Google Play Store, and a lot of people got refunds. Yik Yak is a little-known application that's already causing some serious problems. The application itself is an anonymous and local message board that is kind of like a small-time secret. The idea was that people would share community news, tell jokes, and have fun with other people in their general location. Unfortunately, we are humans and not all of us are good people. Thus, the service began being used as a cyberbullying and rumor mill platform. It's been called a dangerous application by at least one psychiatrist, and a couple of Philadelphia students even used the application to announce a school shooting, while another used it to post a bomb threat. Despite the issues, the application does remain available in the Google Play Store if you want it. Yo isn't really controversial, but it is a curious case. The premise of the application is ridiculously simple. It's a messaging platform that says only one word, and that word is yo. The idea is for users to assign meaning to the word, and then when they receive a message, they know that something happened. For instance, a sports team PR may send out a yo whenever their team scores. Motorola even used it recently to host a contest. The thing most don't understand is why this application is so popular and why so many investors have dumped money into it. Yo was developed in one day and it's already earned tens of millions of dollars in financing. Oh, and let's not forget the huge security problem that it had when it first started out. It's an anomaly, and it's really interesting. Once again, I'm Joe Hindi, the Android Authority app guy. While you're here, why not subscribe to the Android Authority YouTube channel? If you're hanging out for a minute, we have a couple of awesome videos for you to watch right over there, and they're also linked in the video description below for you folks on mobile. Finally, don't forget to check out the written companion, which is in the video description below. As always, thanks for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful day.